Rick! Did you just hear something? Huh? Rick! Hello? Is someone there? Am I stepping on something or? Huh? Hey! You heard it that time, right? What is making that noise? Okay. I've got an idea. Shh. Oh, I'm just a-sitting here, minding my own business. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Diddly-tumba-doo. Aha! 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 Oh, I just don't get it. Somebody's making that noise, but there's nobody here but me. Oh no, I'm surrounded. They're everywhere. Hiya!
Hi, Georgie.
Oh, hi, Marco.
You should try drinking some water and holding your breath for 10 seconds. That always helps me when I've got the hiccups.
Hiccups. Hiccups. I've got the hiccups. Ha! I've got the hiccups. A case of common, everyday, ordinary, run-of-the-mill, harmless hiccups. I knew that. Oh, what a relief. Hiccups. Anyway, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Achoo! What was that?